Hello everyone and welcome. It's really hot in here. So we're back doing drywall sheets over the.
Because nobody wanted to do this work. Very important.
Thank God I have very good reflexes, and I caught my phone as it fell from the selfie stick. So we're back putting up drywall against the bricks, so that we have straight walls. And I'll flip the camera and show you who's doing most of
Să le fac în ciudă la toți muncitorii constructori care n-au să le dau bani.
That's my wife over there, working hard, plastering the walls with cement glue with a special kind of adhesive that is designed to hold it in place. And there's her little helper helping diligently and not messing about, doing absolutely nothing. Yeah. So yeah, again, we're doing this because of all the shitty contractors that did not want to take this job. This is not what we wanted to do. We honestly wanted to have cement on the walls. I don't know what it's called in English, but we don't have the budget to actually buy one of the automated machines that would help us do this. And this is a cheaper alternative, just putting up drywall sheets over that. We're just putting up the big ones that are going to be in solid chunk, and then when we get to the corners that need to be cut, we will cut them and put them there, as well as dig out holes for all of the outlets and light switches. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. I'm gonna pause the video right here, and we're gonna pick it up when I mount the drywall.
Here he goes. As you can see, it's very easy. And it's 1 or 2 men's job to do that. As I'm saying, it's very easy to put the dry sheet boards. You need a very old and disturbed chair.
It might not look like it, but it was easier than it looked.
put like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The reason that one had to come down was it broke in transport and I didn't realize. And when I tried to pull it off the wall to lightly adjust it, we had a little accident over here, as well as on the top where I forgot to take care of a little ridge of cement, and that
And
also
our
broke.
little help. Hey.
So yeah, that's what we're gonna do with the rest of the room, and I'll show you.
And we already did that with the other rooms. So like this. I don't know how to film like this. So we did that yesterday, like for 4 hours. Of course, we're going to have ceilings.
The few inches up there that are left as bare cement are actually above where the ceiling will come. The ceiling will come on a platform, and that will be done later when I have the time. She's not very happy about the construction. The fact that we couldn't get a single constructor to actually take on this project. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're doing now. It's relatively easy, but it's the only way that we could have straight walls. And we're going to plaster them once they're all up and the ceiling is done. And you kind of get the message. It's not going to be done soon. All right. I'll see you in the next one.